Ready for a flavor explosion? Let's dive into this street-style Thai chicken burger. Picture this: juicy chicken, Thai spices, and a tangy sauce all packed into one delicious burger. Sounds amazing, right? Let's get started. First, let's talk ingredients. For the chicken patty, you'll need ground chicken, Thai red curry paste, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, soy sauce, fish sauce, a pinch of sugar, and chili flakes. For the sauce, we're mixing mayonnaise, sriracha, lime juice, and honey. And for toppings, think crunchy slaw with cabbage, carrots, and fresh mint, plus some pickled onions, all on toasted sesame buns. Step 1. Mix your ground chicken with those amazing Thai spices and shape it into patties. Step 2. Grill those patties until they're golden, crispy, and juicy. Step 3. Whisk up our creamy, spicy sauce. And finally, Step 4. Assemble your burger with all those fresh, crunchy toppings. Look at that beauty. Crispy chicken, creamy sauce, fresh herbs, and soft toasted buns. It's like a taste of Bangkok right in your kitchen. So, ready to spice up your weeknight dinners? Give this street-style Thai chicken burger a try and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more street-style recipes. See you in the next video. Eat bold, eat Thai.